Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, I'm going to be cracking open yet another incredible new speaker from Ultimate Ears. This is the Boom 4 Bluetooth speaker, a dual-driver, rugged powerhouse with a 15-hour battery, IP67 rating, and so much more. So let's get into it. First thing we see when we open the box is a nice quick start guide, which we'll set aside. Under that, we have some cardboard material, and beneath that, we have our speaker, which we'll come back to. And here we have this accessories box. We'll slide that out, and inside we have a bit more documentation. All of that aside, and now let's have a look at this speaker. And here it is, the Boom 4. It's dustproof, it's splash-proof, it's virtually indestructible. It even floats, and has 45 meters of Bluetooth range. Combined with its 15-hour battery, it's a rugged piece of gear perfect for any situation. Plastic parts in Boom 4 include a minimum of 52% certified post-consumer recycled plastic by weight. It's also designed for recycling. Now, let's take a tour of the speaker. On the front, we have these large plus and minus symbols. These are your volume control. You can also press and hold both of them to check the battery level. On the back of the speaker, there's this small flip-open cover that keeps the charge port safe and clean while adventuring. On that note, be sure to close this tightly before the adventure begins and let the gasket do its work. And here we have a bungee that can be used to carry or secure it. On the top, we have the power button, the Bluetooth pairing button, and this button in the center, which has a few uses. Short press to play and pause, double press to skip a track, triple press to go to a previous track, and long press for magic button. Now, time for the peel. Nice. Now, let's power it on and get this paired up. When you power the speaker on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode, and a voice may prompt you to download the Boom app.
Hi there. Please download the Ultimate Ears Boom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
Thank you, speaker. After that, open the Bluetooth settings on your device and look for it in the list of available devices. Tap it, and that's it. For even more features, be sure to download the Boom app, available for iOS and Android. This allows you to use features like Party Up, which allows you to link multiple Boom speakers from this generation and previous generations to create huge sound. There are also 4 other EQ settings built in, as well as the Ultimate Ears Signature EQ, which can be accessed via the Boom app. With dual full-range drivers, 2 passive radiators, 15 hours of battery, and rugged weatherproof construction, this speaker will do everything, and it will do it anywhere. That's it from me today, but if you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.